welcome back to another unboxing with me and my new friend Polar Bear, जो मैं recently लाई, and we don't have a name for him, so suggest some names in the comments. What are we doing today? We are gonna be unboxing a brand new LG UltraGear 240Hz monitor, the 27GN750 that I just received. So this is it. As you already know, मैंने आज तक कभी 240Hz monitor use नहीं किया है. I've maxed, I think, use 165Hz. And this is the first time I'm going to be using a 240Hz one, so let's get to opening up this baby. And Ankkita, ha, be right back. Sweet home Alabama. Well, Ron, I need you. So the only difference I've noticed in packaging so far is that मेरे 2K वाले मॉनिटर में जो सारे केबल्स थे वो बहुत ही क्यूट से बॉक्स में आए थे, and इसमें they've kept it open, which is like not a good or bad thing or something like that. I'm just saying that this is the only difference in packaging that you will see. So in the box you get all of the cables that you need to connect and start up your monitor, the CD, the guide and the whatever and everything, which we don't use because I've done this like 1,000 times before. I am easily picking everything up. I just had orange juice. I'm just gonna pull it out. That's what he said. Rohan, help me, Rohan. Rohan bathed and came in new clothes for this video.
Soon, kar le. It's very easy. Just turn upside down and there's a screw underneath the stand. Yes.
Ow, my hands hurt. So, हम लोग ने monitor assemble कर दिया. It is an absolutely beautiful looking monitor. In terms of the monitor, it looks the same as the one I already have, but the main difference you'll see when you actually use it, because this goes up to 240Hz and that one is 144Hz. So we will actually go and use this now. मैं थोड़े इस पे games खेल के देखती हूँ कि कैसा difference आ रहा है, क्या difference आ रहा है. We play some Valorant and I guess some Apex, क्योंकि मेरा favorite है. I have to play that. And you already know I have a brand new setup and I'm super excited to use a brand new monitor in my new room, new table, new monitor. Yes. Let's go. Stop texting your side holes. You have 5%. Stop it. Rage, cut it out. I did spend the past hour and a half playing some Valorant and CSGO on the new 240Hz monitor, and I have to say, if you are a hardcore gamer, upgrading from the 144 to the 240Hz is a really good decision for you. I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the LG 240Hz monitor, and if you guys did, make sure you guys leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos, and let me know which is your favorite LG monitor, the 2K one, the new 4K monitor, the 240Hz. What is your preference? Let me know in the comment section and I will respond to it with my personal favorite monitor that I like. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.